I-feature natin itong dalawa guys kasi ano na, lasing na. Lasing na ang dalawa. Someone's crying. We are on the move again guys. Punta tayo sa very famous Glicoman. 8-minute walk guys papunta doon. What's wrong, sir?
What's wrong with me?
What's wrong with you? The famous Glicoman. Sobrang dami talaga ng tao dito guys, as you can see. Different angles of Glicoman. Yeah.
Why is he famous?
Very, very famous.
Tanisha here.
Look at what we have.
Look.
Guys, meron dito Biore na yung 50 plus SPF. Guys, half the price siya. Ay, more than half the price. $8 lang to. $8.90. Sorry. Tapos yung presyo nito sa Australia, $18 kaya. So, ang mura lang. Isa lang muna yung bibilhin ko kasi mag-Don Quixote pa tayo. Finally found it. Ito talaga yung hinahanap namin, guys. Ito siya. Masarap dito. At saka sobrang sarap ng highball nila. Ay, tara di ay. 1:30. Cheers! Sir, why are you not drinking? Last time na napunta kami ni Michelle dito sa Japan, dito kami kumain at saka uminom, and sarap ng experience. Ang ganda ng experience namin the last time. Kaya, ayun, dinala namin dito si Sir.
Okay?
Yes. Perfect. We're not on a diet, guys.
No, not at all.
You know us.
Not at all.
So, if kain talaga. Huwag na kayong mag-judge.
Japan living.
Ano?
Living up to its name.
Drama. Hindi pa yan nakainom.
Japan.
Hindi pa yan nakainom.
Living room.
From the first taste of his sukiyaki.
Sukiyaki.
Yeah. Sukiyaki pa yun, ha?
And
Kaunat ka. Rice. Imbis magtaga eh. Rice. Chicken. Okay.
that's good.
Okay, feature natin itong dalawa guys kasi ano na, lasing na ang dalawa, charis lang. Caesar lang. Halala, one inom.
Round 2.
Fight! Cheers!
Someone Everyone's crying. Aww, Charis. Though we know parties never so easy. Sir, what's the problem? Let it out. Let it out.
Let it go.
No judgment. Let it go.
Can't hold it back anymore. This is my dress. This is my dress.
Yes. You press it?
If you have a fall. Can you climb that?
Baba.
mo na ihapon ka nun, oy.
Ha? So, tapos na kaming kumain doon at saka nag-inuman na din tayo. The one that's really affected with alcohol. Alcohol intoxication. It's there. It's dessert. It's dessert. So, nakatatlong highball yan sila. Ako, dalawa lang.
It's my first highball.
Dalawa lang. Hindi natin kaya. Uy, ang cute naman ito. Mga octopus. You know?
I've tried the
Lakad-lakad muna tayo kasi busog na busog din kami.
fireball.
Guys, we're home and we're home and we're gonna have some dessert.
Yes. What's our dessert? Rochelle? Sure? Dessert?
Slurring of speech.
Nakaswaya ka sa
I don't know, pero ito yung nabili namin. Ito yung nabili namin sa Family Mart. Uy, dili na pang face. Uy!
Pang face mo,
Di na pang
Have you
face.
seen the address?
No, it's a different one.
Is mine
We have Häagen-Dazs, the matcha, tiramisu, what are you? Souffle, pudding, and the big Monaca ice cream sandwich. So I'm just gonna have this green tea or this matcha. Thank you guys.
How do you spell matcha? There's just a face.
Mississippi.
Next to it. I wanna eat this. I wanna eat this. I wanna eat this. Oh, what are we watching? Why is there a monkey?
Sir, ikaw ka-play, Anna.
Look! 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 It's such a big. You wanna buy it?
No.
No, you can't.
I don't want to eat that much.
Because it's an ice cream.
No,
What is that?
Tiramisu.
we're eating too much, ha?
Would you like some? Would you like some? It's yummy. No,
Good.
It's good.
It's not bad.
A lot of food, guys.
That's the first thing. I think we'll tone down that in the next few days.
That's what you think.
Tao ni sweets para ma-absorb na yung alcohol mo.
You need to experience life.
No.
Kung ako din itong experience life. Because I have never been to Japan. If you've never been to Japan,
You have never been to Japan. That's just Japan from buwan.
then you've never been to Japan.
I've been to
Dreaming of your
everywhere,
true
but I've
love.
never been in love.
Let me out here.
Yung first day pa ba yan?
First day pa ta?
Mahilom eh siya.
Dahan. Wala ni Netflix there.
I doubt it.
Naamang good. Michelle already
Possible.
opened the Netflix
How?
few days ago.
Wow.
Can't you read
Few days ago, you only arrived last night.
Well, last night then. Kasi din kung remote akong gigamit.
I have no idea. Kanang pan ba? Disinfectant kung
Matangig arc gamay kay para.
Hoy, ayun na ng arc. Ano na pang laki na ko.
Para mara na yung kakatong si ano ba? Gemma.
Ay, sige doon! Sige doon, sir!
Ayaw, ikuan.
Oh my god, it's so nice.
You got the black one.
Wala sir, maldita na kay kagdating.
Shell, ayaw, ikuan, Shell, ha?
Sir,
Shell.
kilay 2,000 may akong ganahan, sir.
Hala,
Ayun, ang kilay 2,000, Shell.
Ala, nipis na kayo, sir.
Shell, ayaw, ikuan, Shell.
Guys, tapos na yung ating first day dito sa Japan and it was so good. It was so fun. Maganda talaga yung Japan. Asa na ba ako sa akin, chika, guys? Nalobat kasi tayo. Today is so fun. I feel like enjoy lang talaga kami. Today is our first day nga. So it sets the tone of our whole trip in Japan. Hopefully. Kasi masaya lang talaga today. Walang awayan. Anyway, before I sleep, pumunta kami kanina sa Watsumoto. Sabi nila, cheaper daw yun compared to Don Quixote. Wait lang ha, hindi ko kayo makita. Ayan, so ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung nabili natin nga doon. So the first one is this. It's the Biore UV Aqua Rich. Napakita ko to sa inyo kanina. So I just got one. I'm very hopeful na sa next time na mag-shopping tayo, it's gonna be in Tokyo. Naka-sale din doon. Kasi ayoko mamili ngayon ng marami. Nasa Osaka pa lang tayo. Our last stop dito is sa Tokyo. So mas okay na doon mag-shopping kasi parang hindi mabigat yung mga luggage natin. But hindi ko lang talaga siya kayang i-miss kasi nga, ang mura lang talaga niya. So, ayan. Bumili ako ng isa. And then, also bought batteries. Para sa ating nabili na Panasonic kanina. It's a shaver. Napakita ko to sa inyo kanina din. And then, ito talaga yung amaze ako. This is Anessa, guys. Marami sa inyo ang familiar nito. This is a very good brand. SPF. Meron to siyang SPF. It is a brush-on powder na may SPF 50+. And as you know, sabi ko kanina, ang init-init dito sa ngayon. It's summer here in Japan. And then, yun nga, sweaty tayo and whatnot. So, kailangan natin ng mag-retouch. So, I feel like the best way na para ma-retouch ko at makalagay ako ng SPF or sunscreen sa aking mukha is through this brush-on na powder. So, ganyan siya. It's very compact. Gamitin natin yan bukas. And then, I have, as you can see, meron tayong acne. I bought a spot care patch din doon. And let's use it now kasi I already washed my face. Sabi ko talaga, magsha-shower ako. Pero wala na talaga akong energy mag-shower ngayon, guys. Bukas na lang. Kasi, you know, we also had some alcohol na grabe talaga yung highball dito, guys. Yung the percentage of alcohol talaga, malala. But yeah, today is so fun, so chill. Maglagay tayo. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yung lagi ko kasing ginagamit is naubusan na tayo. It is from YesStyle. It's from CosRX, yeah. Pero yun nga, naubusan tayo. This one is super, super thin. Ayan. Talagay ko na yan. Parang wala, no? Yan lang naman. This one is hyperpigmentation lang ito. Matagal na yan. Nainis ako. Hindi nag-fade. So, yun lang naman. I really have to cover this one kasi very fresh pa siya. Tapos, super sunny. Baka hindi na naman matanggal or mag-lighten up yung hyperpigmentation kasi sobrang exposed sa sun. That's what we bought today. And yeah, tomorrow, guys, we are gonna go to Nara. So, I really hope na mag-watch kayo ulit ng aking vlog. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. And hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!
Gee, I lost my photos.
What do you mean?